Very good morning to all the students. As we was finished in the last class, differences or distinguish between distance traveled and displacement. That we was finished. Now today we will go. There is a few differences between speed and velocity. One of the difference between speed and velocity is the rate of change of position. The rate of change of position is called speed. That is here a rate of change of position. This is what your speed. Whereas in case of a velocity, a rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. Here displacement is the quantity which has both magnitude and direction. And this change in position does not have a direction, it has a magnitude only. So therefore here the speed is a scalar quantity, whereas this velocity is a vector quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. And always better to keep in mind the quantities which have magnitude means they are only a magnitude. Having only magnitude means they are scalar quantity. So such quantities, they are always positive. The value of speed is always positive and it is non-zero. The speed, it is always positive. It is non-zero. Positive, negative. Whereas in case of a velocity which is a vector quantity, it may be positive or negative or it may be zero. Positive negative or zero. And one more thing is this speed, its average speed is always non-zero. Average speed non-zero, whereas average velocity may be zero or average speed, we average in case of a speed, here we average in case of a velocity. Here this speed is non-zero, whereas this is zero. Zero हो सकता है. This is about what the few differences between speed and velocity. One is a rate of change of position, rate of change of displacement. A rate of change of displacement. Then speed is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude, no direction. Whereas the velocity is a vector quantity because of which has a both magnitude and direction. And this speed is always positive, whereas the velocity may be positive or it may be negative or it may be zero. Because of it will be depends on direction. It is independent on the direction. Average speed is non-zero, whereas the average velocity is, it may be zero. Average velocity may be zero. Zero impact zero agbodu, but it is zero agalla. These are the few differences between speed and velocity. And one more quantity here, distinguish between average speed and average velocity. Average speed and average They are also similar. ಅವನು similar ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. Whereas in the case of a rate of change of position ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? The ratio between total distance traveled by the body to the total time taken. ಏನು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? The ratio between total distance traveled by the body to the total time taken. This is what the average speed. Whereas here displacement, total displacement to the total time taken, a ratio between total displacement to the total time taken. This is what the average speed and average velocity. Again, it is a scalar quantity and it is a vector quantity. Third one is again average speed is non-zero, whereas here average velocity may be zero. Average speed is non-zero, average velocity is may be zero. That means average velocity may be positive or negative or zero, whereas this one is always positive and it is non-zero. These are the few differences between the average speed and average velocity. If you want, you can go for one more is, that is already I gave you, the average speed. Average speed is greater than average velocity. Average speed is greater than average velocity. In only one case, the average speed and average velocity will be same whenever the body is moving along a straight line in one direction. Average speed and average velocity ಎರಡು equal ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವ? Whenever the body is moving along a straight line, ಅವಾಗ average speed, average velocity ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. If the body is moving with changing its direction, during that time average speed is greater, whereas the average velocity will be smaller. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ average speed is greater than average velocity. Here average velocity is less than average speed, and hence here velocity and speed, if we will go for the ratio between speed and velocity, so here speed divided by velocity is either greater than or equal to 1. Means speed divided by velocity equal to 1, or speed divided by velocity is greater than 1, and this is only one when the body is moving along a straight line. Body is moving along a straight line, then speed divided by velocity, the ratio between speed to the velocity is equal to 1. In the different cases, the speed is greater than velocity, means speed divided by velocity is greater than 1. ಇದು particularly equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ along a straight line ದಾಗ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಇದು speed divided by velocity is greater than 1 other than the body is moving along a straight line. So these are what the few differences between distance traveled, displacement, speed and velocity, average speed and average velocity. So with this we completed the topic excluding numericals, excluding problems. Here we finished most position of a body along a straight line. Now we will go for few numericals based on this topic. Problems. Few problems we will do it on this topic. Before going to the few problems, few numericals, I will tell you the important point is that you must have to know, you must have to recall the definitions which was learned in this topic. Just like what is particle, what is rest, define speed, define velocity, define acceleration. In case of a speed, there are various forms of speed. In case of velocity, there are different. Similarly, in case of acceleration. After the definitions, then you have to go. What are the formulas you was obtained, you was derived? You got it. What are the formulas in this topic? Those formulas also very important to recall, and also you have to make the list of formulae. Just like here, I will show you in this topic how to make the list of formulae. List of formulae. Better to remember. First one topic I will give you list of formulae. After that, remaining you have to go. You have to do it in the future topics, in the further topics. So here is one of the equation. Speed and velocity, they are dimensionally same, during which the average speed and instantaneous speed I gave you. Here the instantaneous speed is v equal to ds by dt. Speed does not have a direction, whereas the velocity here, velocity also same equation, but velocity is a vector quantity. So therefore velocity equation you can go to write it like this. V arrow mark equal to ds by dt. Arrow mark represents direction. No arrow mark, no direction. Either speed or instantaneous speed or variable speed. This one is instantaneous velocity or variable velocity. Then the average velocity v average equal to s1 plus s2 divided by t1 plus t2. If there are any number s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus s4 and so on, divided by t1 plus t2 plus t3 and so on. If the two distances t1, two displacements s1 equal to s2 equal to s, and velocities are v1 and v2. Velocity is equal to v1 and v2. During that case, your formula v average equal to 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. I was shown one of the expression in the formulas of noun and predicate. ಈ formula relations if there are three velocities, during that case the average velocity you can able to write it v average equal to 3 v1 v2 v3 divided by v1 v2 plus v2 v3 plus v3 v1. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಡಿಬಹುದು ऐसा फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. एवरेज वेलोसिटी अगर 3 रहा ड्यूरिंग दिस केस, इसके अंदर ई केस ನಲ್ಲಿ s1 equal to s2 equal to s3 equal to s ಆದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ acceleration a equal to one of the equation you have a equal to dv divided by dt. In terms of vector form, where a vector equal to d vector divided by dt. This vector form is scalar form. Then after this you have sixth equation v equal to u plus at, otherwise one of the equation a equal to v minus u divided by t. where v is the final velocity, v is the initial velocity, t is the time taken. E ಅಂದ್ರೇನು acceleration. ಇದೇ equation ನಾವು ಈಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. v equal to u plus at. Similarly here next one, s equal to ut plus half at square. This you are also wrote it as x minus x naught equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. It is also like that. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ eighth equation, v square equal to u square plus 2as, or v square equal to u square plus 2a into x minus x naught. Then next other two equations, distance traveled in the nth second of its motion, s nth equal to u plus a by 2, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Here n is nothing but the time taken, distance traveled by the body in n seconds. Then next one here, a equal to s2 minus s1 divided by t square. And here these three equations, 1, 2, 3, these three equations we got by graphical method as well as by calculus method. Derivations ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, just till formula list ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Similarly after this, the equations under gravity, in case of a under gravity, there are two cases will be there. One is a freely falling body, during that case you are taken as, whenever the body is falling freely, u equal to 0, v equal to v, a equal to plus g, s equal to h. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರುವ 5 equations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equations. ಇವು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. a equation, b equation, c equation, then d equation and e equation. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇವೆ 5 equations है, जो भी 5 equations है वो 5 equations में a सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का, u 0, v equal to v, a equal to g and s equal to h ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವು ಈ equation. ಇದರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ thrown vertically upward, thrown vertically upward, thrown vertically upward. Again here u equal to v, v equal to 0, a equal to minus g, s equal to h. Then again these 5 equations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equations. Matta 9 equations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You matta equations that you go. After this you have average velocity. Either another average velocity 11, 12, 13. Average velocity v average, relative velocity vr equal to velocity of a body with respect to b body. Then you have three equations, v average equal to va minus vb. In this case, va and vb both are in the same direction. Similarly here, VAB equal to VA minus of minus VB. This becomes VA plus VB, and this is possible when VA is in this direction whereas VB in the opposite direction. This is relative velocity VB. 2VA VB cos theta. This is the general equation for relative velocity. ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ equations ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ equations ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ನ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 13, 14, ಇದು 15, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 5, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 5, more than 25 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ we wrote it. 25ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಲಿ, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ 25 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 25 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ लिखेಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. उसके साथ में एक 15 to 20 definitions, 15 to 20 definitions ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. more than 7, 8, nearly 10 graphs we plotted for velocity time graph. Few graphs we plotted displacement against time, few graphs we plotted acceleration against time. ಅವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರ more than 50 to 60 points ಆಗ್ತವೆ. and those 50 to 60 points ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು अगर सही तरीके से ऑर्डर में नोट कर ले तो then that is very very useful during the objective type question. ಅವಾಗ CET ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೇ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಏನೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, either theory based review or numerical based review, problem based review ಅಥವಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ review ನೀವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವಾಗವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಈಗ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅಂಥದ್ದೇನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು, ವಯಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ नहीं रहते, थोड़ा उसका सिस्टम रहता है, ಅದೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. मेथड कैसा रहता है, वो मेथड के मुताबिक सॉल्व करें तो इजी हो जाता है. ऐसा कुछ बड़ा डिफिकल्ट नहीं रहता. एंड हियर आई विल गिव यू few numericals method to observe carefully here now. I will go for one of the question now. I will write the question on the board and better to read the question and do it carefully. A car moving along a straight highway. A car moving along a straight highway. Straight highway with a speed of 126 kilometer per hour. 126 kilometer per hour is brought to stop. Is brought to stop. Is brought to stop within a distance of distance of 200 meters. Within a distance of 200 meters. What is the retardation of the car? What is the retardation Uniform retardation. How long does it take? How long does it take? How long does it take for the car to stop? For the car to stop. Question. How long does? So this is the question. Keep it in mind, better to listen carefully and do correctly. Starting it may take some time. This is for the solution. Given values, what they given and what they ask. A car is moving along a straight line or straight highway with a speed of is nothing but velocity. And moving starting means initial. This is initial speed. How much it is? 126 kilometer per hour. And got to stop. Finally it becomes to rest. Finally it becomes to rest means its final speed is 0. Speed and velocity both are same in case of a straight. Along a straight line, motion in a straight line, motion along a straight line. The speed and velocity they are one and same. Better to keep it in mind. Though one is the scalar quantity and another is the vector quantity, but their magnitudes will be same. So velocity or final speed is 0. Within a distance, what distance it will be covered? From A to B, here is the A position, here is the B position. At A position starting speed is u, at B position velocity is 0. With what distance it is traveled? S distance, and that S distance is how much? 20. S equal to 200. Then we have to find out what is the retardation. Retardation in the sense acceleration you have to find. Retardation ಅಂದ್ರೆ acceleration find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Acceleration negative ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ negative acceleration is called retardation. Better to keep it in mind. Negative acceleration is called retardation. So you have to find out A itself. If you are going to getting the answer as negative, so you can call it as that is retardation. Is it clear up to this? So which formula we have to select to find out A? Given values are u, v and s. u, v ಮತ್ತು s ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ A find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ लिस्ट ಮಾಡಿದೆ फार्मूला. अभी फार्मूला का लिस्ट करेंगे. उसमें कौन सा फार्मूला सेलेक्ट करना वो एक इम्पोर्टेंट. And one more important point in this topic is here this distance is given in terms of meters, whereas this speed is given in terms of kilometer per hour. So first we have to convert this in terms of meters per second. If I convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದು kilometer per hour ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು meter per second convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Already in case of units and measurements ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಬೋಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಟಿ. The given quantities whose values must be what we are going to taking, they must be in only one system, either in SI system or in CGS system. All values ಒಂದೇ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು CGS ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಒಂದು FPS ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಒಂದು MKS ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಾಂಗ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೀಟರ್ದಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೀಟರ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀಟರ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ 126 ಕಿಲೋ 126 ಕಿಲೋ ಮೀಟರ್. ಕಿಲೋ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1000. ಕಿಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1000. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಿಲೋ ಕಿಲೋ ಮೀಟರ್, ಇದು ಮೀಟರ್, ಇದು ಕಿಲೋ, ಇದು ಕಿಲೋ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ per ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 hour converted to seconds. As you was known, you will be very perfect about the time factor. 1 hour is having 60 minutes. Each minute is having 60 seconds. which is nothing but 3600 seconds. Now here 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, zeros will be cancelled. Here 126 into this is 10 by 36. I will go for 2 5s. This is 2 3s. Here remains 5 divided by 6 into 3 18. And now here better to remember one thing. If the speed is given in kilometer per hour, better to listen carefully. अच्छा सुना इधर एक सिंपल से बोलता हूँ. अगर वेलोसिटी या स्पीड किलोमीटर पर आवर में रहा and that you want to convert in terms of meters per second, so during that time you have to multiply the given value with 5 by 18. किलोमीटर पर आवर ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಮೀಟರ್ per second ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 5 by 18 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು 126 as it is ಅದ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ per hour ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 by 18 ಮೀಟರ್ per second ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ 18 1 ಜ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 18 1 ಜ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 18 8 ಜ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 18 8 jha how much it is 18 3 jha 54 I think 18 7 jha almost 18 7 jha 126 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 18 5 jha 90 36 yes 18 7 jha 7 into 5 equal to 35 meter per second. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 126 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 35 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು a ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. u ಅದ v ಅದ s ಅದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ v ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು u ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2as. now here this 2as keep is as it is equal to the v square ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ. ಇದು minus 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2as equal to ಏನು ಬಂತು v square minus u square. therefore a equal to v square minus u square divided by 2s. ಇದು 2 ಇದು s ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ by cross multiplication. You know basic steps which was learned in high school and primary classes. Just this formula we arranged and we got a equal to v square minus u square by 2s. Of course you also have a equal to v minus u by t nu ಅದನ್ನ equation. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾಗ u ಅದ v ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ s to a ಇದೆಲ್ಲ a ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ v 0. ಇದರ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. therefore a equal to what is the value of v 0 0 square minus u is how much you got it 35 square divided by 2 into s is 2. 0 square is again 0 equal to ಇದು minus 35 into 35 divided by this is 2 into 200. ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ you can simplify. You know the oral calculation, you can. Otherwise you can use the calculator if there is a lengthy. It's easy, you can possible to know the multiplication table, then you can. 7 7 5 7 37 35. So here 4 0 5 40 is 200. And again here 5 8 this is 5 7 7 7 see here negative you are going to minus 7 7 49 divided by 2 into 8 16. I think now you know the multiple of 16. So therefore a equal to minus keep it as it is 16 3s are 48. What remains here? 1 remains. Find 132 1.101. ಆದ್ರೂನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀರೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜೀರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬೇಕು as possible as you can do it oral calculation. That is very useful in case of a CD. Now 16 6 ja 96 remains 4 40 16 2 ja 16 meter per second square. This is what the example. Negative zero. Now this negative can represent therefore retardation. You can write it as retardation equal to retardation to remove the negative sign and write the positive value. Retardation equal to 3.0625 meter per second square. Per second square or s to the power minus 2, both will be same. This one answer you got it. What is the retardation? This you got it. Retardation value will be 3.0625 meter per second. 3.0625 meter per second square. One more, what do you want? How long does it take to stop the car? How long means we have to find out the time. Time we have to find out. And for that purpose now we have A. And here if you want you can use this formula. ಈಗ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕೆ A ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ T ಕೇಳೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we have here A equal to V minus U by T. Therefore T equal to V minus U by A. Correct है क्या फार्मूला? सही हो गया ना अभी फार्मूला? अभी देखो जो भी वैल्यू वही लिखना, ये वैल्यू ज़्यादा अवेलेबल है. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ T equal to V value 0 ಅಲ್ಲ, 0 ಇಲ್ಲ, V value 0. U value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ 35 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ U value 35 है. 126 कन्वर्ट करें, 126 कन्वर्ट करें तो 35 आ गया. Divided by A इधर. Better to use it this one so that you can possible to simplify easily. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ A value, not retardation, you have to substitute A value. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು A value ಎಷ್ಟದ -49/16. ಇದು -49 divided by 16. This is equal to -35 into minus cancel ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, -16/49. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ into minus ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 5 ja 7 7 ja 7 5 ja 35, 7 7 ja 49. Now 5 into 16 is 80 divided by 7. If you want 7 1 ja 7, 1 remains 10, again 7 1 ja 7, 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 means 30, 37 4 ja 20 and 2 remains again 20. 7 2 ja approximately 11.42 seconds. This is what the simplification. How long means you have to find out the time, and to what retardation, that means negative acceleration. If you are going to solving this type, so you will get almost full marks, 5 marks question for the 5 marks. Each of us solve mark. ಮೊದಲು ಓದಬೇಕು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ and write the given values first. Then conversion if need, if necessary, you have to convert it. If not, you can use it the required formula, whichever is useful. That you can use it and substitute the values and simplify your method. Which one is easy for you, you can apply that method and simplify it. After that, here A negative में आया, acceleration negative रहा तो retardation. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ retardation equal to 3.0625 meter per second square. ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This is what the one of the numerical what we finished. The remaining numericals we will do in the next Few more numericals we will bring in the next class. Better to try it. Okay, thank you.